Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the email address on a Roblox account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Go to roblox.com and log into your account if you're not already logged in. Click the Settings icon from the top right and then select Settings. In Settings, click the pen icon beside where it shows your email address. Enter your new email address and then enter your password. Then tap Change Email. You will then receive a confirmation link to your new email. You will need to click the link in that email to confirm the change of email address on your account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Roblox tips and tricks.